Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my YouTube channel Piping Knowledge. Today we are going to talk about when you go for the hot tapping job in the pipeline, that what you need the input for the basic pipeline detail, what you pipeline detail you calculate from that area. According to me, according to my experience, I am talking about you need to some basic detail of the pipeline. First one is pipeline design code. As per my experience, pipeline design code is B31.8 because of this gas transmission of the piping. Okay. Now I am talking about second point is the pipeline thickness, that your current pipeline where you are working, that I need to be pipeline thickness. That third one is material specification, which material in this pipeline is going to be is already used, that is the material specification. Now of the design pressure, what is the design pressure of that the pipeline. The next is minimum and maximum operation pressure. When you go for the working on the existing pipeline for the purpose of hot tapping, that time of what is the minimum and what is the maximum operating pressure is done by the operation. Expected isolation pressure, what is the normal expected isolation pressure, and the design temperature. And the next one is design temperature, what is the design temperature of that pipeline. And the normal pipe, nominal pipe OD means is the OD of the pipe, what is the OD of the pipe. And now the flow rate and the pipeline ID, when you go for OD then also ID also calculate. Of the line content, which service is using, like this. See, we are under the H2S percentage of that. When I go for working on the last my project for the hot tapping job, that one I also calculate. Pipeline design is B31.8, wall thickness is 12.1, and the material specification ASME X70, ASME 106, sorry, A106 grade B and X70, and the design pressure is 75 bar. Minimum and maximum operator pressure I confirm with the operation team, and the expected isolation pressure is 28 bar. The normally expected isolation pressure is 28 bar. Design temperature 5 degrees C to 80 degrees C in the positive, and the normal pipe OD is a 30 inch means 762 mm, and the flow rate by the operation is decided. What is the flow rate of the current status. And the pipeline ID is the 737.8 means ID inside diameter, and the pipeline ID at the line content, that the line is for the sweet gas line, and H2S percentage at that line is 0%. That is the basic pipeline detail. Whenever you go for any area you work with the pipeline, must be calculate this all the data, because anybody ask and then ask you what is the content in this underline, what is the H2S percentage, what is the size OD ID, and the material specification. Anyone coming and he ask you, if you have an engineer, if you are an engineer, then must be know about all the detail before starting any job. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, then share and subscribe.